Our schedule this year will look a little different than previous years at Grant Reagan. So we will go by week-long specials instead of a 6-day cycle. On week 1, we'll have art. Week 2, music and computers. Week 3, PE and guidance. Week 4, library. And week 5, music. Week 6, PE. Our schedule will start with reading in the morning, transition into our read to self and rotation time, and then have science and social studies right before lunch and recess. After lunch and recess, every day we'll come back and have quiet time, which is a time for students to regain their control and get focused for the afternoon. Then we'll have writing and word work, our math lesson, math rotations, our second recess, and then finish math with snack and read aloud and pack up. Please keep in touch this year. Parent communication and involvement is a very important part of a successful school year. Please feel free to contact me at any time. Here is my email, and if you are not part of our Facebook group, please make sure you join with the ending of Jones 2020-2021. Ways that you can be involved. So I will send out a virtual secret reader link. Please sign up if you would like to be one of our secret readers this year. Volunteering. I will email the people that responded on our survey that you would like to volunteer by the end of September. If you did not indicate that and you would like to be a volunteer, just send me an email and I'll get you added to the list. We can't have any volunteers in the building this year, but there will be plenty of things that you can do from home if you would like. Donations, we have our Amazon wish list, which can be found online from the PTO or linked on our weekly newsletters. And if you're interested in the PTO, please attend a meeting. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't brought in or emailed me a family photo, please do that as soon as possible so that we can get it added to our family wall. Thank you so much for listening to Curriculum Night. Please let me know if you have any questions about any of the information that I shared. Thank you.